Hi guys, this is Rahul and welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to share a helpful memory trick to remember the 17 SDG goals. So this is very important for many competitive exams. So as we all know, there are 17 SDG goals, and here I've created an anagram to remember them. So the anagram goes like few, a win, ready scrolls 17 goals. So the story for this is, like let's just say there is some match going on, and there's a guy named Reddy who wants a particular team to win, and finally let's just say they win, right? So then Reddy says few, a win, and Reddy scrawls. So the meaning of scrawls is write hurriedly. So that guy scrawls in his book 17 goals, right? So to break it down, right, to break the anagram into individual SDG goals, so they abbreviate to P for no poverty, and the H is for zero hunger, and let me just point to them. Yeah, P is for no poverty, and the first H is for zero hunger, and the third H is for good health and well-being. So I've taken the letter H, health, for this, and then comes quality education, so education, and E for equality, gender equality, and W for water, clean water and sanitation. So that's the sixth goal. Coming to the seventh goal, affordable and clean energy, and W for work, so decent work and economic growth is the eighth goal, and ninth goal is in industry, innovation and infrastructure. So all three are covered in this, in industry, innovation and infrastructure. Then ready is reduced inequalities. So yeah so this is the 10th goal, and the 11th goal is sustainable cities and communities, so that is SC, and responsible consumption production, that is for R. A is for climate action, so that is the 13th goal, and W is for life below water, and L is for life on land. So both are similar, it's just water and land. And S is for the 16th goal, that is peace, justice and strong institutions. So I've taken S from strong institutions. Coming to 17 goals, that is the 17th goal, that is partnership for the goals. So I've just added this P here. We can just 17 partnership goals or even 17 goals. So that will help us in remembering this. So finally, this is the anagram, guys, like few, a win, ready scrolls, 17 goals. So I hope this helps you guys. Yeah, thank you everyone.